Are you one of the many homeowners that I speak with on a pretty regular basis who love the idea of living in the town of Wake Forest, but maybe you don't know quite as much about the town of Rolesville, North Carolina, its awesome next door neighbor? Well, today you're in for a treat because I've got an exciting video lined up for you as I take you on a front row seat tour around the town of Rolesville, North Carolina. I'll be pointing out what's what in town, like local businesses, restaurants, schools, some different neighborhoods, and much more. Plus, at the end of the video, ride along with me as I take you on a sneak peek tour of a couple of massive projects that are now underway in Rolesville, some of which that could possibly be the location of your next home. All right, guys, let's get going. Hi guys, Michael Sanders here, your native Raleigh realtor. If you're contemplating a move to the Raleigh or the Triangle area of North Carolina, then definitely reach out. I'd love to help you guys with your move. Okay, so here's the deal, guys. Rolesville, North Carolina, like a lot of the other Raleigh suburbs, has a really nice small town feel. However, just because it's a smaller town doesn't mean there's a shortage of really awesome and exciting things to do in town, because there are a lot of great things to do here. And as you'll see in this video, there's a lot of really cool stuff that's about to come to the town of Rolesville. So to get things started, let's go hop in the car and get going. Okay guys, so right now we're entering Rolesville on South Main Street. Over on the right is what is going to be the future Wallbrook Shopping Center. This is going to be pretty incredible. This is going to be over 260,000 square feet of retail, restaurant, commercial space. There's going to be a Publix grocery store over here. They're also going to have a lot of other like dining options, sit-down restaurants. There's going to be a huge fitness facility. They're also hoping to have a brewery over here, in addition to commercial space, office space. And at the rear of the complex, they are actually finishing up a townhome section. So when this development is finished, you're going to be able to have restaurants on site, shopping, and residential. Okay, continuing on South Main Street, you're going to have a pretty sizable shopping center over on the left, which is going to contain some government buildings. There's also one of my favorite restaurants over here. It's called Off the Hook Seafood. So if you want some really good broiled flounder, that's the place to go. Continuing northbound on the right is Redford Place Shopping Center. There's quite a bit in there. There is a brand new workout facility in addition to a Food Line grocery store. As you continue north, the main elementary school in Rolesville is on the right, Rolesville Elementary. So if you live somewhere like Granite Falls, you're going to have two elementary schools located literally within 7 minutes of one another. Continuing northbound along South Main, you're going to have a really cool park called Main Street Park. There's an outdoor gazebo that's really popular over there. There's some walking trails, lots of playground area for kids. Then coming along is one thing that is absolutely massive, the Cobblestone development that I've talked so much about on my channel recently. Over here, you're going to have retail, office space. There's going to be restaurants, ground floor opportunities for different businesses. This is about another year away, I would say. When this opens, it's going to give Rolesville a true downtown area for people to congregate. Up until this point, there really hasn't been a true downtown area of the town of Rolesville. So everyone's pretty excited to see this as it gets towards full build out. Okay guys, so right now we're over in not only one of my absolute favorite Rolesville new home communities, but it's actually the largest master plan community in the town of Rolesville right now, Granite Falls. This neighborhood is absolutely fantastic. Out here you've got a really family-friendly atmosphere. There's tons of really charming homes. There's top-notch amenities out here. Out here, you're gonna find several distinct neighborhoods within the development. There's pretty much gonna be everything between entry-level townhomes, up to single-family detached homes, all the way up to some incredible estate-style homes, some of which we're gonna see in the newest phase in just a minute. One of the biggest selling points of the community, at least in my mind, is the amazing amenities, such as the incredible 60,000 square foot Granite Falls Swim and Athletic Club right behind me. Over here, you've got indoor and outdoor saltwater pools. There's a lazy river. They got water slides and a splash pad. There's also some serious fitness facilities in here, including state-of-the-art cardio and weight machines. There's a really awesome free weight section in here. Not that I've actually used them myself, but I can attest to the fact they are there. So guys, up until recently, Granite Falls was nearly completely built out. However, recently, they've actually opened up a brand new phase over here called the Peak at Granite Falls. Over in this section, 35 of the final available lots within the community are being built by ICG Homes. They're building 6 different 4 and 5 bedroom designs that are going to measure out at a little over 2,700 square feet, all the way up to around a little over 3,000 square feet. This is an absolutely gorgeous section of Granite Falls. It's near the back where there's tons of heavy trees, lots of hardwoods out here, a lot of nice areas with cul-de-sac homes, very private. What do you say, guys? Let's go check one out. This home is the Marshall B plan by ICG Homes. This is going to measure out just under 3,100 square feet. It's going to be 4 bedroom, 3.5 baths. As you enter in, gorgeous dining room on the left, formal dining room, wainscoting, gorgeous tray ceiling. You're going to walk back into a huge open family room, kitchen area. Gorgeous 9-foot ceilings in here. Love the trim work that they're putting in right now. Gorgeous floating shelves, tons of space for your TV. Gorgeous accented walls in here, board and batten style. Coming over to the kitchen, you're going to have a massive island over here. Absolutely gorgeous cabinets in here, guys. Coming off the main family room area, you've got this really sizable drop zone area that's really great for kids getting out of school, putting their backpacks up, coats, whatnot. One of my favorite features of the Marshall B plan is the fact that there's a really sizable bedroom on the first floor that is really suited for in-laws coming over, kids coming home from college. There's a really sizable closet with built-in wooden shelving that I really like. Really convenient to the downstairs guest suite is this full-size bath, gorgeous tile shower, single vanity sink, lots of light coming in here. Really nice, guys. Headed upstairs, you're gonna have 3 additional bedrooms and additional baths. This upstairs master is really huge. They're gonna have gorgeous accented walls in here. Some gorgeous crown molding going in over here. Okay guys, stepping out of the massive owner suite, you're gonna go right into the owner suite bath. Guys, check out this huge walk-in shower. I love the fact that there's a sitting area in here. There's really convenient niches for storage for your shampoos and soap and things like that. There's even crown molding in the shower, which is a really nice touch. Stepping into the huge bonus room, you're gonna find a really cool feature in here is this built-in desk. This is gonna be really neat for someone who maybe needs a private home office. Maybe you've got kids, maybe they wanna study and be out of your hair. Perfect area for that. Another nice feature of the bonus room is you've got a built-in closet. So if you ever needed to, you could actually convert this bonus room into a 5th bedroom if you needed. And back downstairs, one of my favorite areas of the entire home is this huge screened-in porch, guys. Check this out. Beadboard ceiling in here. There's also another entryway that goes directly into the breakfast nook area. Really convenient. Guys, check out the view out here. Nice trees out here. Pretty decent backyard. It's not huge, but some decent privacy. Hey, real quick guys, I would really appreciate it if you take half a second and hit the like button below. It would really help me and my channel out immensely, and I would really appreciate it. Thanks, guys. One of the truly standout features of Granite Falls is going to be the super convenient location. Over here, you're going to be nestled right in the middle of downtown Rolesville. You're actually going to be halfway between the downtown Rolesville commercial and retail district. And on the northern side of the Granite Falls, you're going to have the Heritage Master Plan community. In addition, from Granite Falls, you're only going to be about a 30-minute drive straight into downtown Raleigh. You're only going to be about 15 minutes away from the I-540 Triangle Area Expressway. Okay guys, this is pretty cool. Right now, I'm giving you guys your very first look at what's going to be probably one of the most ambitious new communities, not only in the town of Rolesville, but in the entire Wake County Triangle area. Right out here is the site of what's going to be known as The Point, which is a brand new master plan community that's being developed by Ashton Woods. which is one of the nation's premier home builders. The point is going to be situated over 300 acres on a site that's just south of downtown Rolesville. Plans out here are going to call for around 807 units. There's going to be around 483 single-family homes, around 324 townhomes. There's even a dedicated section at the northeast quadrant of the neighborhood that's going to contain both retail and office space. Of course, you can see that work out here has just really begun. The last time I was actually over here, there weren't even any paved streets in here. So now they've got the utility infrastructure and some of the streets already in here. You should start seeing some really good progress here soon. Okay guys, right behind me, nothing too exciting. It's just simply a road that's being reconfigured. However, the really exciting part about this road configuration is the fact that it's being done in preparation for an amazing 223 acre new development just down the street from here that's going to be called Pearce's Farm. Plans for this new community are pretty ambitious. They're going to have tons of public and private greenway trails through there. It's going to be gorgeous. This community has actually went through a couple different revisions through the years. It was originally going to be a Toll Brothers community. Plans for that failed when Toll Brothers backed out. They've redone the plans for a new builder, and I'm really excited about it. So if you're someone who's thinking about moving to the town of Rolesville over the next couple of years, Pearce's Farm is definitely going to be someplace that you would want to consider. Guys, if you happen to have an interest in either the Point or Pearce's Farm, definitely reach out. I've already started a list of interested home buyers for both of these communities. Once homes are available over there or any other important updates come about, I'll definitely keep you guys informed. Hey guys, if you'd like to check out some more awesome communities in the town of Rolesville, then you need to check out this next video about some of the other top Rolesville new construction communities. Just click the link above. If you've got any questions whatsoever about moving to Raleigh or anywhere else in the Triangle, definitely reach out. I'd love to help you guys the same way I've helped tons of others who decided that the smart move was to get moved.